Grade 7, 8, and 9 students, get ready. This is Mathematics Test 2 for Paper 1 on your national examination. And here we go with question 1. Fill in the square root and the cube of the given number, and that number is 4. Get cracking, grade 7, 8, and 9 students. The timer is off and running. Find the square root of 4, then find I need you to cube the number 4. Should be finishing off that question, and we move on to question 2. Find angle BAC. Angle BAC from that diagram. See if you can work it out. And we move on to question 3. Solve the equation for y. 3y minus 5 is equal to 31. Got it? Great. And we move on to question 4. Ray ate 3/10 of a pizza in the afternoon. Later in the evening, he ate 1/4 of it. What fraction of the pizza is left? Got it? Yeah, Ray nearly ate all of that pizza. And we move on to question 5. Use the symbols to make each statement true. A, 2 centimeters compared to 15 millimeters. B, 5,000 grams and 5 kilograms. Get cracking, grade 7, 8, and 9 students. Let's see if you can get this metric system question correct. Got it? And we move on now to question 6. The following numbers are shown using prime factors, 16 and 12. What is the LCM, lowest common multiple, of 16 and 12? Use the prime factors, guys. Work quickly. You should be finishing off by now. And we move on to question 7. Calculate 12% of $300. There is an easy way to do it that I will show you when we get to the answers. It's a very easy way to work it out once it's presented like this. And we move on to question 8. Calculate the perimeter of this shape. Remember what perimeter means. Do it quickly. You should be finishing off question 8. And we move on to question 9. Complete this table using the given numbers. The numbers are 1, 4, 1. You must find the mean, find the median, find the mode. Get going, grade 7, 8, and 9. You should know what mean, median, and mode, what those terms refer to. Mean, median, mode. Which is which? What do you do? This one was fairly simple, so you should have completed that by now. And the last question, question 10. A class has 24 students. If 10 students are girls, what is the probability of picking a boy at random from this class? Write your answer as a fraction in lowest terms. Last question. That's it, all done, and answers coming up. Get ready to mark. Question 1. Fill in the square root and the cube of the given number. If the number is 4, what's the square root of 4? The square root of 4 is 2. Yes, 2 times 2 is 4. So the square root is 2. What's the number cubed? 4 to the power of 3. 4 times 4 times 4. 64. Yes. And how did we work it? 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4, 64. And we move on to question 2. Find angle BAC. Where the angle A is, that's that angle we're referring to, BAC. So BAC, you have to subtract 70 from 90, because you see that box on the left? It means 90 degrees, so it's 90 degrees on the right. 90 minus 70 is 20 degrees. As simple as that. Got it? Yes. And question 3, solve the equation for y. 3y minus 5 is 31. So the next step, 3y is equal to 31 plus 5. You have to add to get rid of it. 3y is equal to 36. What do you do next? Divide, because you're multiplying by it, so you divide. Y is 36 divided by 3. What's the final answer? Yeah, 36 divided by 3 is 12. Excellent work. And question 4, read 3/10 of a pizza in the afternoon. Later in the evening, you ate a quarter of it. What fraction of the pizza is left? Let's see how much he ate. 3/10 plus 1/4. 3/10 plus a quarter. So change them all to 20ths. 6 20ths plus 5 20ths, and that's 11 20ths. Then subtract that from 20 over 20, you get 9. 9 20ths is the final answer. Question 5, use the symbols to make each statement true. We know that 2 centimeters is 20 millimeters, 1 centimeter is 10, so 2 centimeters is 20, so 20 millimeters and 15 millimeters pointed to 15. So 2 centimeters is greater than 15 millimeters. Now we know 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams, so 5 kilograms is 5,000, so it's equal. Got it? Good. Question 6. Following numbers are shown using prime factors. 16 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. What is the LCM? Use the factors as many times as you have them. So it's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Use all of the factors. You multiply. 3 2 is 6, 12, 12, 2 2 is 4, 12 4 is 48. So the LCM of 16 and 12 is 48. That's the lowest number they can be divided into without a remainder. 12% of 300 is 12 over 100 times 300 over 1. So you cancel out and you get 12 times 3, 36. Now all you have to do is multiply the 12 by the 3, whatever that number is for the dollar amount at the front. 12 times 3, 36. Or 12% is every 100 is 12. So just on your fingers, 12, 24, 36. 3 fingers, 36. That's it. Percentage done the easy way. Question 8, calculate the perimeter of the shape. Now there are some sides you don't know, so put them in. That side is 5. How do we know? 3 centimeters and 2 centimeters on the other side. And then if the bottom is 8 and the top is 4, so that leaves 8, take away 4 is 4. Then add them all up. Or you can say 8 centimeters plus 8 centimeters, and then it'll be 5 centimeters and 5 centimeters on the other side. 5 5 is 10, 8 8 16, 26. Complete this table using the given numbers. The mean would be you add them up and divide by 3. 4 and 1 is 5, 1 is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. That's the mean or average. The median, arrange them in order. 1, 1, 4. Pick the middle one, would be 1. The mode is the number you see most often. Look at them. Which number do you see the most? 1. So the mode is 1. You got to remember the definitions for those terms. Then you would be able to work it out. Question 10, last one. 24 students in class, 10 students are girls. How many students are boys? 14. So it'll be for the fraction 14, and then it'll be 24ths. 14 24ths. So once you have 14 24ths, you have to divide by 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 7 12ths would be the answer as a fraction in lowest terms. That's it, guys. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe and share me out. And you'll soon have another one to do next week. And I will see you in the next one. That's a wrap.